Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Yes. And today, guys, we're here with a medley. For those who don't know what a medley is, it's when a lot of songs come together. It's like a mix, but it's a video. It's a video medley. So, in this medley, we have KiiShea, Alozade, Kiko, the Hype1, Valiant, Kaii, Promise Move with Metadata medley. Metadata medley. Alright? So, we're going to jump in one and hear what the artist must say. Big up every artist, another one here. Let's go. Let's go.
African records. So, no girl, no love them man again.
Levels.
Hold on. There you go.
As far as I can see, you love only me. No girl can be a problem. That is why I say I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you.
Are the two of them sing? Are the two? Yo, them a twin? What going on, sir?
No girl can be a problem. That is why I say I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you.
No, them girl are twin. Them girl are favor, sir. Me love uno too. Me love uno too. Yeah.
I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you.
Yeah.
I love you, I love you.
Me love you.
I love you, I love you.
Me love uno.
I love you, I love you.
It too a uno.
I could have 10 or 20 gal. Them try fi mention me. I stick with you till senior pension.
She say, yo, she not left her man. No matter where them out there start talk about. No matter where them out there start talk about. Yo, me see a man with that. Me no care. Me still a stick with him. That's what she say. Obviously not me. Come on. I'm just saying what she's saying. Come on, man.
10 or 20 gal. Them try fi mention me. I stick with you till senior pension. A richer man coulda want me little more. The thing concrete me and the rose from the floor.
No matter if you have your money, you can't get tired. That she tell you. I think concrete. Yeah, from day one she there with her man. Yeah, from school days. A
richer man coulda want me little more. The thing concrete me and the rose from the floor. You want make a key or try lose your life. I see myself as your future wife. Good fuck make us so all the time. That is why I say I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you.
Yo, is these two girls the same? Can somebody explain in the comment section if at the same person I look on here, so cause I'm confused right now. Like them look too much alike, bro. I swear.
I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you.
Yeah.
I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you. Believe me, I want you.
Baby, you cock up and you think no matter what me not go left, me not go quit.
Yo, look for the transition. Yo, big up the artist. Big up Alozade. Yeah, salute.
I want you.
Baby, you cock up and you think no matter what me not go left, me not go quit.
Nah, quit.
By your side, like you Weston and the Smith. People at all. And that's a bag of shit.
No matter what them talk say, no matter what them say, are you are the one? Are you are the baby? Remember say you did say from me not have nothing. Yeah, from Bulla and Butter days. Remember say we are flash out in mackerel together. Remember say no, from long time enough. So no matter what them say, are you are the one? Nah, left you. Nah, left you.
Here by your side, like you Weston and the Smith. People at all. And that's a bag of shit. No
Yeah.
matter what them a talk about me, buy you a house, and me just choppy line, buy you a new whip, bring you.
Yo, it feel good for have can I say a 2000s, the early 2000s artists. I mash up them ready, I see them way. Mash up them ready, I see them way, and I keep up with the younger generation youth them. Yeah. The boss say, yo, no matter what, I go buy your house, and guess what, I go chop it line. I go chop it line. I don't think me hearing the artist from film era say, yo, them I go chop line. So the man say, yo, I go chop a line and buy you a new whip. Yeah, you have to have big fat Benz or big fat me park up on driveway. That is it.
Believe me, I want you.
Baby, you cock up and you think no matter what me not go left, me not go quit. Yeah, by your side, like you Weston and the Smith. People at all. And that's a bag of shit. No matter what them a talk about me, buy you a house, and me just choppy line, buy you a new whip.
Yeah.
When you go a Louis V, buy you anything you pick. iPhone 13, take a pic like me and Nick.
Yeah, RIP Nick. iPhone 13, take a pic. Nick, big up. Nick Photorex, RIP. Yo. Bad.
Bag of shit. No matter what them a talk about me, buy you a house, and me just choppy line, buy you a new whip. When you go a Louis V, buy you anything you pick. iPhone 13, take a pic like me and Nick. Take your mind off a brick. Remember say I'm me your pick. Him a watch out your house and I check me you feel it. Rubber grip the palm me.
So your ex I watch out your house. I watch out the better life, good, better, best. Him not good. Him not good. No, you have a man in a way take care of you and thing. Him a watch out your house and I check you feel it. Lick who? Lick who? You mad? You happy to make some man? Lick who? Right.
Louis V, buy you anything you pick. iPhone 13, take your pic like me and Nick. Take your mind off a brick. Remember say I'm me your pick. Him a watch out your house and I check me you feel it. Rubber grip the palm me. 40 ball in a the clip. If him run up in a this, him a forget the whole life.
Man say I'm different my girl straight. If him run up, him a get done up. I just said there. 40 ball clap out head back. Run up now. Run up. You feel froggy? Jump. You feel froggy? Jump.
Rubber grip the palm me. 40 ball in a the clip. If him run up in a this, him a forget the whole life.
Yeah.
Baby, your body smooth like lotion. Wind up your waist in a motion. In a your ears, me a whisper closer. Your body they deserve a promotion. Underneath in a deep and a ocean. Your body they deserve a promotion. The neighbors hear the commotion. She a digging her deepest emotion.
People that corrupt and covetous.
Kiko the Hype 1. Alright, me and Kiko deal it. First one listen to that artist.
She a digging her deepest emotion.
Yeah.
People that corrupt and covetous. No one your mother live to see the better yo. No one your daddy say this are the best of yo. Some of them are snakes, some are alligator too.
You one friend them round you we do that, you know. The one friend them you see you elevate. You have some people good. If you depend, if them enough of them mind things say you and them depend the same level. You see when time you start elevate, them try to kill you. Them no want mommy get proud of you. Them no want see your father proud and say, yo, me proud of my son, you know. Or me proud of my pitney, you know. Them no want that. Them have to take your 3 points, so you have to protect that at all costs.
Yo, no one your daddy say this are the best of yo. Some of them are snakes, some are alligator too. Some of them are blood, some of them are liver too. Stay strong, cause them can't get the best of yo.
You get that, you get that play on road. So some of them are blood, some of them are liver too. So some of them are in family. Some of them are liver too.
Some of them are blood, some of them are liver too.
Yeah.
Stay strong, cause them can't get the best of you. Them ever remember when you broke, but your boss I know. Wish them are your mother figure, say yeah, them deliver you.
Sure.
Dirty act, no me not in a them. Not have mine, but me never left me kill a friend. With this thing at them.
Man say me not have mine, but me never left me kill a friend. So I must say, yo, listen. Me an artist. Me a public figure now. Me not have mine. Me not have my strap. But guess what? Me not left me kill a friend them around me. Don't feel say, yo, me a walk and give you my 3 points just like that. Negative. Shoot all your relative. You better know.
Yeah, no me not in a them. Not have mine, but me never left me kill a friend. With this thing at them, cash still a spend. Get the beam of them, bad blood still a trend. I saw them bad mind often. Come around with the talking. Set up your life, man, bust out your head, them the one side laughing.
Yeah.
I saw them bad.
Yeah, man, them see man, you set up your life and come on your funeral. Come on your 9 nights, see him here. I go on act. Oscar winning. Actress, actors. Watch out for them. Them see man set up your life. Yeah.
So to head them the one side laughing. I saw them bad mind often. Can't wait for see morning. They go see down pankana. Wish bad fear them a crabbing at the barrel.
Yeah, friend, your voice of Valiant.
Valley.
As a deep
Kaii.
You know it's style already.
One more.
2 markets drop on the block already. Yeah, me travel on the jet already. I'm not frightened for fear, me lock away like Armageddon. Yo, me dead on the line and try to help me live. Benz I push start, me don't know about key dog. Want a big house where I feature the sea dog.
Valley, why are you not in the video, sir? Come on, man.
2 markets drop on the block already. Yeah, me travel on the jet already. I'm not frightened for fear, me lock away like Armageddon. Yo, me dead on the line and try to help me live. Benz I push start, me don't know about key dog. Want a big house where I feature the sea dog. And we are
Man say, yo, them lifetime man want live. Me not just want drive past them. No, I want a big house. We are look out on the sea. them views.
Push start, me no know about key dog. Want a big house where I feature the sea dog. And we a live life and a real talk. Song them load up, bust up every speaker. Anywhere we pull up, with the girl them feature. Diplomat style, give them amnesia. You know the procedure. Dream, dream, big. Dream, 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 big.
Yo, big up Kaii now. Yo, dream big, brother. Dream big and you will reach it, dog. Speak it into existence and watch it grow, man.
Dream, dream big. Dream, dream, dream big. Dream turn reality. I do this for my family. Dream, dream big. Dream, dream, dream big. Dreams turn reality. Thank Father God for your
Yo, Valley, hustle till the money bust you see him na me jeans. Then go to a Philippines, we go find for me queen.
Yeah, Philippines, the man I go. I'm pretty crumb skin girl over Philippines with them and speak a word of English. Because I said, Kaii, over there, so we gone on Philippines.
Valley, hustle till the money bust you see him na me jeans. Then go to a Philippines, we go find for me queen. Any other way, that is a very silly scene. Link up diplomats, make the girl them jumpy. And a beach we go cool off. Put the beast in a gear, then we move off. Now go drive the whip and let the roof off. We did a fairly big cause we too smart.
Now go drive the whip unless the roof off. You know it's a convertible. Yeah, at this right there. Big move, big meat, boss. Shit. Yeah.
Now go drive the whip and let the roof off. We did a fairly big cause we too smart.
Dream, dream big. Dream, dream, dream big. Dream turn reality. I do this for my family. Dream, dream big. Dream, dream, dream big. Dreams turn reality. Thank Father God for your life.
Yo, why this don't have more views? Why the video not, why the medley not have more views? Is it because it's not produced by a big top name producer? That's why? Or why? Cause this bad in a brother. This bad in a dog. This bad, this bad. No joke about it. It's bad. Big up every artist we night. You see me? Big up every artist we night. And it refreshing to see like a 2000 artists we boss like a man like Alozade in this way, keep up same way and put out the work same way. You see me? Yeah, dog. It refreshing to see, dog. You see me? Yo, every artist did them thing. Every artist did Kiko the Hype 1 bad. My only disappointment is I would like to see Valiant in the video. Actually, we just have somebody act like Valiant, but we know it's not Valiant. Kaii promise move bad. KiiShea the girl when me don't know like at the first I hear about them. I said them because I told them say. So yeah, big up on yourself. You see me? Yeah, and hello, big up yourself, fam. So this is how I'm gonna leave that one. Still, if you enjoyed that one and want some more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, man. And actually go over that that medley. I go comment and say, yo, I'm missing over there. You know? Yeah, man. I'll see you in the next one for real.